This is the life of an entrepreneur, bitch. Okay. Okay, y'all. So today I'm about to fulfill an order because I had put a sale up on my website, on my store, and a few ladies bought a few things. So this specific lady, she bought shades, these specific shades. She bought the bougie shades. So she bought them in red and she bought them in olive, if I'm not mistaken. This is the black. So basically, normally when people order everything, normally everything on my site, I'm not gonna say normally, all the time, everything that I have on my Instagram is everything that I have on the site as well. So I have everything on hand. I have a whole like suitcase where I keep everything in, and then I have some stuff that are like hang up, and then I have some more stuff that is I have some more things that are on, where is it, that I have like folded up in like this tote or whatever. So of course that's pretty much what we're doing, but I have to sit here and find her shades because I'm like, I feel like I'm missing a color. Oh no, you know what, I forgot I bought this little case. So these are her red ones and these are the bougie shades. So if y'all don't know what the bougie shades look like, let me just show y'all. These are like the shades that are inspired by Rihanna. So let me just give y'all an idea of like what they look like. See, this is what they look like. So she got those, and then she got the olive ones as well. So yeah, so those are hers. And then pretty much I'll go on my site, which would be through Shopify, and then I'll fulfill her order, and then I'll just drop it off at the post office. So since today is so you know, it's one of those, it's a Saturday, so of course it's it closes early, so I have to hurry up and make it there before they close and send out the last little bit of orders. So I have to make it there. And she ordered this yesterday. So yeah, so I gotta get that to her. So basically, anytime y'all order things, you'll see them because I have everything by name and by place, and then I have them in the boxes and everything. And I already have everything already kind of pre-packaged so that I don't have to search for anything, because I never want to search for anything. I just want to just get up and go. And then I have a lot of these shades too. I don't even know if you guys can see them. I have them in black. I have them with the silver to them. But these I might just start giving them for free or put them in like a little mystery box or something, because I had these were selling out like crazy, and then I bought more, and then that phase of shades was pretty much over with. So yeah, I'm gonna go look for her other pair of shades and then I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up finding her olive ones. These are what they look like. These are the Rihanna inspired shades. They are bomb. These are hers, so I'm not gonna put them on, but that's pretty much what they look like. And when I tell you, when I put these up on my site, girls were buying them like crazy. And then of course other companies started having them on theirs, and then that was that. That's why I tell y'all, when you follow the boutique or you follow my makeup page, either one, when I tell y'all to vote on what you guys like and what you guys want to see on the site, vote. Like, because I don't like buying a whole bunch of stuff and then, you know, they sit there and y'all don't like it. I'm still trying to figure out my audience. So because I'm still trying to figure out my audience, it's kind of like, I don't know what y'all like, what y'all don't like. I'm still trying to figure that out. And as a person who's starting a new business, it's like you really have to know what your customers like, what they want. You have to know all of that stuff. And in the beginning, you're not even sure because you just know what you like. So, you know, go throw on a shirt, and then I got to go print out the shipping label because my printer ran out of ink. And I'm so mad because it's a whole lot. So I got to go see if I can print the shipping label out and then hurry up and make it to the post office before they close. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so now I'm headed to the FedEx place. I'm trying to see if I can get them to basically print out this information for me, because it seems like I can't get anybody to print anything for me, and I really need to print the shipping label, because normally when I ship for y'all, as soon as you order it, I'll ship it out that day, depending on whatever the time frame is. If you do it before 1 o'clock, and I'm not talking about like 5 minutes before, but like if you do it before 1 o'clock and I'm able to package everything up, and I'll ship it out that day. But if you go and you try to ship it out, or you try to order it before, I'll ship it out the next day. So because I ran out of ink and all my funds are kind of tied up right now, a bitch ain't got no money for no damn ink right now. You feel me? And the printer I have, that shit is like $50 for some fucking ink. That shit is crazy. So I'm trying to see if I could just go over here to this little FedEx place and see if I can, you know, get them to print this stuff for me so I can send this girl stuff out. Because one thing about me, I'm very like keen on like sending y'all stuff out soon as y'all purchase. I be trying to have it like out the next day or that afternoon. You feel me? So I'm just really trying to make this happen. So let me tell y'all something that I didn't know and I just found out. So FedEx, they print out free shipping labels. So if you go there and say, hey, I need a shipping label, they do it for free. Okay? So, you know, a cheap bitch like me who got a printer but don't want to pay for the print, don't want to pay for what they call it, ink. Shit, I'm gonna use that ink. It's free. Like, yeah, they gonna know my name. They gonna know my name, because I am not gonna I'm gonna get my stuff, because you know I like doing stuff inside my house, but at the same time, like, why do I need to keep sitting here buying buying ink when they print out shipping labels for free? Like, boom. Okay, y'all, so I just shipped out the orders that I had today, and I made it right before the post office closes, which I'm freaking happy about. And here's a good tip for somebody who's starting a business, you know, new and fresh or whatever the case may be. The best thing for you to do would be to sign up for a business account online when it comes to shipping, whoever you choose. I use USPS. So when I use them, I go online, sign up with my business account, they'll approve you or whatever the case may be. And then when you do that, they'll send you everything that you need when it comes to boxes, like all flat rate boxes and the what they call them, the emailers and stuff. Like when I say emailers, like the what do they call them things, the flat rate shipping bags, like all the ones that you see a lot of businesses, they have the real pretty envelopes and stuff like that. They get them in there for free, and it's one flat rate. And the good thing with flat rate shipping is that whatever you fit in that bag, it goes out for that price. So it don't matter what the weight is or anything like that. It just matters by if you could fit it in the bag. Whatever bag or box it is, if you could fit it in there, that is how much you're gonna pay for that shipping. So that's like the best thing. I remember I had one order. This girl, she ordered almost $70 worth of stuff, but the stuff that she ordered, I was able to get it into a flat rate shipping bag, and it was only $8 for her shipping. Normally, if I would have like did it all cute and, you know, put all this extra stuff in there, it probably would have cost her about almost maybe $15, but she ended up getting it for only $8 shipping, which is perfect. So I know she was happy, and I was happy too, because I'm like, whoo, I don't gotta do all that extra packaging and all that stuff. And yeah, it worked out. So this is what the priority shipping small block box looks like. And you have to make sure when you're using, depending on what e-commerce site you're using, that you label them right. Because I had one time where I ran out of this size box, and I went to the dollar store, went and got me a little box, and the sizes were off, and then the shipping label was off, and the lady, she had me take it off of there. Then I had to go back and reprint it, and yeah, it's a whole lot of extra stuff, like things that you just don't want to have to do. Today I ordered some Lazo teas, and I had did the samples or whatever the case may be, so it came in like a whole packet or whatever. But this is basically what the satchels came in. So basically it says take once a day, 30 minutes before breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then it says there's 0 THC in this one, and this flavor is going to be raspberry lemonade. So on here it's saying there's only 10 calories, and the total carbohydrates is 1%, and dietary fibers 2 grams, which is 8%. So pretty much that's the only thing that's in there. So they're trying to say that you will lose 5 pounds in 5 days. So we're gonna see what the hell they're talking about. They give you 2, so one is for day 1 and then day 2. And then the satchels kind of look like this. The 2 satchels look like this. So basically what I did was, or what I'm going to do, get these 2, and then I'm gonna put them in my water bottle. No, I'm gonna get a full one, but this is just one I had opened from earlier. So gonna put those 2 and then pour it in here, and then you're gonna shake it up and everything like that. And then after 30 minutes, then you can eat your breakfast, your lunch, or your dinner, whichever one you care to do. Now, what I will tell you, it doesn't have a nasty taste or like a bittery taste or anything. It tastes pretty good because it is raspberry lemonade. The only thing about it is just that it has an aftertaste. So like, it has kind of, I don't know, it's like I guess it leaves like this raspberry taste at the end. It just has an aftertaste. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's pretty decent for the average person to, you know, eat or whatever. And back here, I'm getting my cabinets done in my apartment. So I know how people like to judge and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna let you know that's what's happening. They repainted my cabinets, and they're giving me brand new doors and whatever the case may be. So now that we got that out of the way, I took it at 7:30, and it is 7:45 right now. So I have to wait until about 8 o'clock to eat. So that's what we're gonna do.